Hello and welcome back to Catch and Cook, California. We are sweating. We just hiked in 2 miles. It's really hot. Today we're going to catch and cook some of the largest flies in California. We're going to give them a taste test as an appetizer for homemade linguiça, cooked up on a bushcraft fire. So join us.
Start that.
Ways alive. Oh, hey guys.
Well, hello there.
Welcome back to Catch and Cook, California. So we were sitting here and we were thinking maybe we should start a new video series called Technology Tuesday. Probably be showing it on Instagram. Little short clips of how to make some technologies.
What kind of technologies, Martin?
I think we're going to make some stone tools,
Ooh.
show you how to make some arrowheads, bifaces, other stuff like that. We're also going to be roughing out some bows and making some finished bows as well. Show you how to make some arrows, and we'll probably show you how to make some fire kits. What else do we want to do?
How about some bone fish hooks?
Ooh.
How about some bone harpoon points? How about we show you how we make them on Technology Tuesday, and then we use them in the video to go, I don't know, spear some fish or something like that. Super pretty spot. We're gonna gather some cattail, this time for real.
For real, we're not, no April Fools this time.
So this is the base of the chute. It's nice and white, rich in carbohydrate, and we're gonna harvest some of these because it's springtime right now, which is when you go for these. And then we're gonna cook them up. My brother and his buddy Robert are on the other side of the ridge here. We'll join them in a second.
Young shoots of cattail. Now what you're looking for are these kind of long, green, almost airplane wing shaped stalks here. These later on in the season will grow up and get these pods on these seed pods on the end of them. Look like a hot dog on a stick. Now we're gonna pull these up, and what we're looking for are these nice white fresh shoots at the base of these leaves. So there is a wild iris that also grows in these stream beds, and those shoots will look very similar. They're usually a little wider. That's not always the case, so be careful of that. But you're basically looking also at the base. With cattail, they're a rounder base. With iris, they're a little bit more oval. The wild iris is poisonous, so if you misidentify, you could be really sick and even potentially die if you eat a lot of it. The dog loves it. Just don't collect where the dog pees. No, but what you're looking for is water quality. You do not want to collect these in standing water that is, you know, right next to a road or off an ag field. So what you're looking for is nice fresh areas, good standing water, clean water.
If you're eating raw cattail shoots, you can also get giardia, because if the water that it's growing in is typically standing, which it is, even out here with clean water, you can still get those nasty, what is that, cryptosporidium and all kinds of nasty stuff. You just don't want it, so we're gonna cook it.
Usually cook it. In a pinch, I'd eat them raw, but most of the time, cook them. If you go in and collect a lot of these, leave them intact to make sure that you're identifying the plant correctly, and then double check when you get to the kitchen to make sure you're actually picking what you're thinking it is. Oh.
Here, you see my brother harvesting stoneflies, one of the larger fly varieties here in California. According to the ethnography, certain Native American groups did eat these seasonally. As a result, today we're going to catch and cook flies.
So these are stoneflies. These are called salmon flies. They're like one of the bigger stoneflies, and they live in streams for a year or two, and then they hatch out, and these are the adults. And it's something I've always been curious to try, but I've never tried before, so we're gonna try them tonight. Martin, what do you think?
Yeah, at first glance, no way. No way. but we're gonna do it. I'll try anything once. We're gonna make some cattail and caddisflies.
There we go.
Just, you know, use those like clam. I want to try it, but
I froze them, so they're very dead.
okay, good.
Yeah, dude, I was like all about this until I started putting them in a bag. And then they were trying to crawl out of the bag. I was like,
yeah.
dude, this is kind of gnarly.
He's throwing rocks for me.
Yeah. Oh.
We're going to be using
Yeah, I
this
like big
rosemary
sections.
olive oil to fry the
yeah,
caddisflies in. And, you know, if you start out with bad ingredients, you're going to end up with a bad recipe.
Sand are fine, huh?
So you got to start out with something
Funny.
fancy.
That is a very large fly.
Dude.
So when I grew up, instead of getting ants on a log, I got caddisflies on a stick.
Yeah.
I know that's not true because I grew up with you. I think if there ever was
Leave it.
woodsman style street cred,
Yeah.
eating this is definitely.
Yeah, this is woodsman style street cred for sure.
Oh yeah, man.
Okay, it's getting better.
It's like Gordon Ramsay style here. All right.
I don't know, man. Do you want me to do the honors first?
I don't know what I want right now. I'm not sure I want this though.
Oh God, I lost the butt.
That's the best part.
Yeah.
Like I know, we've never tried it before. Okay, you're gonna watch this happen.
All right, I'd eat it again.
Dude, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's really good.
It's a little wingy.
Once you get past some of the leggy bits, it's really good. You're right. It does taste like shrimp a little bit.
Yeah.
It's got kind of a, not bad though. It's not like overwhelming.
Yeah, it's like a little shrimpy, a little fly-y.
Yeah.
Little fly-esque. Here, you guys gotta try one. It's actually pretty good.
I'm having a fly, buddy.
He was not having me picking him
Yeah,
up.
it was good. It's not bad. Yeah, it's really good.
All right, so now we're gonna cook
I don't know
some
if you can see
cattail,
the hat.
Oh,
the
okay.
white inner portion of the leaf.
Oh, they're good though. Those are
They're
bomb.
not bad, right?
Will you grab me another one?
So we got some cattail, we got some fried caddisfly. Try the cattail. It's a little fibrous.
I got a good one.
Yeah, the interior one.
Yeah.
So the outside's a little fibrous, the interior is nice and tender. It's taken a lot of the flavor from,
The caddisfly.
yeah, it's really, really good, but that's good. Really nice texture.
Yeah. The interior.
I would totally throw that in a stir fry or something. Or like with some caddisflies.
Or with some caddisflies. I'll eat another caddisfly.
Ooh, it's a little salty. Texture's good.
Yeah, they're good otherwise. Yeah.
It's a little wingy though.
It's like that shot of you like smiling with just like wings sticking and legs sticking out of your teeth. Oh yeah. real wingy.
I mean, they're definitely not bad.
No, I like them.
Like, you can do a lot worse.
Thanks for bringing those,
Maybe,
man.
Here,
That's
let's
really cool.
combine the two, see if that
Oh, yeah.
didn't change.
Still fibrous and wingy.
Very salty.
Yeah.
All right.
Fibrous and wingy.
Want any more, Robert?
Good. That was a good appetizer.
Not bad,
Super
right?
good, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, super good.
Yeah.
So it's Justin's birthday. Martin made him this hand-carved Osage orange bow.
Well, bush bow.
Yeah, so I've tried my hand at making Osage orange bows, and they're not easy to make. Very happy to get one. That's pretty awesome.
Are you having a good day? Yeah. You like when we go on adventures? Yeah? Good.
I like this creek
Yeah, you like that creek.
It's a little bit hot out.
Flip that one.
It's got a good spot.
So this is kind of a new recipe for them, but they did a killer job. It's super good.
I don't know. No.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It is what we gotta do, I guess.
Hot.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, Ryan did a good job with this one. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. It's so tasty though. So flavorful. It's not
Wow,
very,
that's one of the best sausages I've ever had.
yeah, for real. And it's
Like,
not,
no joke.
not like very wingy or anything.
No, it's not wingy.
It's really good.
It's kind of got like a little chunkiness to it, which
Like
I.
a toast rind?
Yep. Mm.
Very good. Yep.
Bannock and sausage, man.
Worth waiting 2 hours for. That bush,
Why not?
that little bush on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shot the little bush on the left.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
So remember guys, we do a lot of fires, a lot of outdoor cooking. You need to be 100% positive you're putting your fires out. There's a reason that we had the fire right here on this bar where it's not covered in grass like everything else out here. Trying to be responsible. Justin's going through and soaking all of the charcoal here to make sure there's no embers. You need to be able to pick that stuff up with your hands before you walk away. Thanks for watching, folks. And till next time.
Keep the old ways alive.
So what do we got there?
Oh, we just made some coffee, but they're in aluminum cups, so they're super hot. Burns your lips when you try to drink it.
Our bannock turned into ash cakes. Wait, what just happened?
I just almost got bit by a rattlesnake. Big old one. Barely made a noise too. Oh.
It's a little salty, but it's good.